everyone! Today we're making croc cookies. You will need some oval-shaped biscuits, green ready-to-roll icing or something similar, white ready-to-roll icing, edible cartoon eyeballs, black writing icing or an edible pen, a knife, and make sure you have your parents' permission or supervision to use this, and a rolling pin. Okay, let's start by rolling out our green icing. Roll it pretty flat and then bring out those bickies. Now lay them on top and cut around them carefully with your knife. Ta-da! We've got a green icing topping for our cookies. Next, roll out your white icing and use your knife to carefully cut out the shape of a smile. Then cut out little triangles into the shape. These are going to be our crocodile's teeth. Then some eyes, and then get some green icing. Roll 2 little balls and flatten them out to make our croc's nostrils. Lastly, use the black writing icing to put a little dot on each nostril. And then, watch out, because you're now surrounded by crocs! Nah, don't worry, they're friendly, just like our friends in Sanctuary City. See you next time!